Namaste, I'm Dr. Sindhura. You know me through Srikari Ayurvedic Education Center. I'm glad that you are watching this series of videos on pregnancy care with home remedies. Today we are going to discuss about the urinary tract infections in pregnancy. Usually, women are more prone to this urinary tract infection. So, also the pregnant women are more prone to this urinary tract infection. Moreover, in pregnancy, because of progesteronic effect, there is usually increased blood supply to the renals. So, there is usually dilatation in the upper renal tract. So, also we find stasis of urine in the ureters. Usually in the first trimester there is increased glomerular filtration rate, and usually in the last trimester because of pressure of this gravid uterus also the pregnant women are more prone to this urinary tract infections. The symptoms of the urinary tract infection in a pregnant woman is the same as of non-pregnant women. When the lower urinary tract is infected in pregnant women, usually they complain of urgency in urination and frequency of urination is increased, and there is usually burning sensation in the urine, or there is usually dysuria, that is sometimes they feel dribbling of urine, they cannot pass urine properly. Along with these symptoms, if the upper urinary tract is also infected, then you find fever associated with rigors, associated with nausea and vomiting sensation. Okay, whenever a pregnant woman complains of hyperemesis in pregnancy, definitely we should check her urine routine. Now let's come to the part of home remedies for this urinary tract infections in pregnancy. The first thing what you can do is take 100 ml of plain water, add with 10 grams of jaggery so that the jaggery is properly mixed in the water. After that, add a pinch of elaichi. Combine all these three and take that 100 ml of water in the morning and in the evening, so that you will get proper relief from this urinary tract infection symptoms. The second thing what you can do is you can take sugarcane juice, and the third thing what you can do is you can take coconut water, and the fourth thing what you can do is you can take buttermilk frequently. All this above four, if you have them frequently, the urinary tract infection symptoms are very much reduced. The next thing what you can do is take some 20 grams of barley, then add 160 ml of water to the barley, and then boil it on the stove. After it gets reduced to 80 ml, consume that water frequently. In the morning, in the afternoon, in the evening or in the night, whenever you feel thirsty, always consume barley water. You can also make fine powder of this barley and then use it. After that, I'll give you 4 homemade juices what you can do to prevent this urinary tract infections. The first thing is juice of ash gourd. Take fresh fruit, fresh vegetable of ash gourd, make pieces of it and blend them properly in a mix grinder and take that juice. You can consume 60 ml in the morning and 60 ml in the evening. After that, you can take juice of radish. Take fresh vegetable of radish, cut them into pieces, place them in a mix grinder and make a fine paste of it. Add proper water and make it into juice, filter it properly and consume the juice. If your urinary tract infection is because of urinary calculi, that is stones in the urinary tract, then radish juice gives you wonderful results. After that, what you can do is you can drink the juice of cilantro leaves. Take a bunch of cilantro leaves, clean them properly, mix it in the mix grinder, make fine paste of it, add proper water, filter it and consume it. The fourth one, what you can do is take the fresh juice of amla fruits, consume it. Apart from all these things, if you are not getting relieved of this urinary tract infection, what you can do is top 3 herbs I'll say which you can use for urinary tract infection. The number 1 is guduchi, number 2 is gokshura, and number 3 is amlaki. All these 3 herbs are given in the description along with their English names and their Latin names. Procure these 3 herbs, make proper decoction of it and consume the water frequently. Definitely you will get relieved of the urinary tract infection. Thank you.